What up, guys? Welcome to an extremely day. Did I say extreme day? What up, Team Buckhouse? Welcome to an extremely windy day here at Mammoth Mountain. So windy that they only have 2 chairlifts running right now. And so I think we can still get into the park from the current lift that we're on. But the lap's gonna be longer. The line is really long, and hopefully this wind dies down, more can open up. But yeah, not much is open right now. It's been, last night was a nut sleeping in the camper, and it was like wiggling and whatnot. Bobby wasn't stoked, but anyways, here we are, we're snowboarding. Let's send it. That chairlift was freezing cold, so we're thinking we're gonna go to the park, find a feature, and hike it. That's the idea. Ooh, it's potatoes. Slush is like powder. You can like push against it, like make goopy sprays, like. Into the park. What rail do we want to hit? This is where we're gonna hike. There's a flat or up, flat, down box. There's also that single tube at the bottom. It's fun. You can get some tricks on that. I think they didn't groom last night. Oh, this thing's about to fall over. Oh, they took it out. That's kind of a rip. The feature we were gonna hit is gone. Let's do another lap. Woo. Oh my god, this wind is so gnarly. It's like almost ripping us off the chairlift. We refuse to put the safety bar down. Like, we got our arms wrapped around.
Our own safety bar.
Yeah, it's got to be like 50 to 70 mile per hour winds.
Judging of that cloud going 70 miles per hour, I would say so.
Yeah, it's nuts. Oh, almost got blown over. This is like being in water right here.
Yeah, it's so thick.
Okay, we're gonna find a rail this time to hike. I caught my edge on the takeoff. Woo! Did you see that?
You good?
Oh, that was terrifying. I thought I was dead.
I thought you were dead too.
It like grabbed me and like put me backwards. So much snow down my pants. Man, that sucked.
Yeah, it didn't look fun.
That sucked. You know what else sucks? Ta-da! Sticker shout out. It doesn't suck, but we got Mountain Life Colorado with the chipmunk sticker on the snowboard. Looking insane, man. Thank you so much for snagging a chipmunk sticker. As well as we got Austin with the red hoodie, looking insane. And then we have the Evolution sticker. I couldn't find one of those in my phone at the moment. But guys, if you want an Evolution sticker or any of our merch, like the hoodies, t-shirts, long sleeves, or if you're a skier, we do have a ski version of the Evolution sticker. They are all linked down below in the description. If you guys do snag any of the merch, just tag me on my Instagram. I'll give you guys gear and sticker shout outs in the vlogs like I just did, and then also follow the Instagram for bonus extra content. I'm not gonna lie, that jump right there just threw me off for like, you guys want to leave?
Yeah.
It's a pretty rough day out here.
Pretty rough day.
It's just extremely windy, really long lines. It's so hard, guys, when we get to snowboard every single day. I know a lot of people are like, oh, I would have stayed out there the whole day. But my body doesn't feel it is the biggest thing. And then getting tossed like that, like catching an edge off the lip and then not having speed, knuckling, falling, like that was rough.
I say no days off. You don't really snowboard that much.
Yeah.
Just every day.
Just every day. So I think let's chipmunk get this out of here. We still got a couple more features, but that was rough, man.
It's tough when our options are like stand in a 30-minute lift line to get blasted by wind.
Almost ripped off the chairlift.
For a park lap, or like hike rails that have not the best lips and the snow is super slow.
Also, this is the 4th day in a row of heavy wind. and it's gonna end soon. Like, and then we'll be in just nice weather. So it's like you're right at the end, you know. You're just like ready for it to end. And let's be real, guys. Not every day is awesome. Some days are just not as sick. One of those not as sick days. Pocket snow.
Today's sick.
Also, I'm always more tempted to take off when I know my family's sitting in a camper. You know, if I'm not having the best day ever, I need to go spend time with them. Get some Cody in our lives. Also, he's the slush badger. Slush badger.
There's not much you can do in this. Just kind of like,
It's like an ocean out here. It's like we're surfing. Whoa, oh man. All right, guys, today was what it was. But don't worry, we post daily on this channel. So with that, thank you so much for shredding with us today, even though it wasn't the sickest day. And as always, thanks for watching. Keep evolving. We'll see you tomorrow with another video, because it is daily on this channel. Woo! Woo!